Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll see what Copilot training you can find on Microsoft Learn. This is going to help you prepare you and your organisation for Copilot domination. This learning path will give you practical examples of GPT-powered experiences for Power Platform, including Excel to Power App, Power Apps Copilot, Power Automate Copilot, AI Builder Create Text with GPT, and Copilot Generative Actions in Copilot Studio. So let's get started. Microsoft Learn is an incredible resource for training and learning material. If you haven't used it before, you must start using it today. Make sure you sign in to track your progress and collect achievements as you complete training. This learning path will show you how to create Power Platform solutions with AI and Copilot. Make sure you pay attention to the prerequisites here. Get a Power Apps developer environment based in the United States region with a licensed user to complete these exercises. In this learning path, you'll be able to try out the following features with real-world scenarios. Building a Canvas app with data from Excel. See how you can use an Excel file to create an app, using the data in the Excel file to create a Microsoft Dataverse table. The app can then be easily customized to suit your needs. Microsoft 365 Copilot will help you create tables by suggesting names, descriptions, and column data types, even if the information is missing from the Excel file you uploaded. Build a Canvas app with Copilot and Power Apps. Learn how to describe what kind of information you want to store, track, and display using conversational natural language. Copilot will create a Dataverse table and use it to build your Canvas app. Learn how to further customize the table and Canvas app using Copilot. I made a separate video on this earlier in the year, so click on this link if you want to look at it in more detail. Build flows using Copilot in Power Automate. Learn how to describe the flow you want to create and let Copilot do the heavy lifting for you. No need to know complex programming. Copilot in Power Automate allows open-ended and conversational experiences to create your flows. You can ask Copilot questions to get assistance to make improvements. Copilot can help you create workflows that are more effective and efficient. Microsoft recommend that you try using Copilot in your own workflows to determine how it can help you streamline your business processes. Take your Power Automate workflows to the next level with Copilot. Create Copilots with Microsoft Copilot Studio. As announced at Microsoft Ignite, Power Virtual Agents is now Microsoft Copilot Studio. Learn how to use Conversation Booster to create topics quicker. When building a bot, you need to create topics, trigger phrases, and responses. Describe to Copilot what you want the topic to do and get Copilot Studio to automatically build this for you, reducing manual steps. Conversation Booster allows your bot to find and present information from multiple sources without the creation of topics. You can use generative answers as a primary information source in your Copilot. As a result, you can rapidly create and deploy a functional bot without needing to manually create multiple topics that might not address your customers' questions. Add intelligence with AI Builder and GPT. Learn about AI Builder and how you can use it with your apps and automations. Explore GPT models to generate text and how to use Power Automate to extract information from emails. It's important to remember AI-generated content can be factually incorrect, inappropriate, or biased. Human oversight in workflows using AI-generated text is strongly recommended, so an approval process step is highly recommended. As I mentioned, Microsoft Learn is just an incredible resource. If you go to Browse, search for Copilot, there's already 48 items for learning Copilot in here. Whether it's a learning path of Copilot-related modules or single modules relating to a specific area you're interested in. And don't forget, you can use these filters to be more specific by product, roles, levels, subjects, and types. As you know, Power Virtual Agents is now Copilot Studio, and there's already a meaty learning path to create bots with Microsoft Copilot Studio. So definitely check this out with the link in the description, as well as the other learning paths and modules you've seen in this video. Get yourself a trial and get playing around with these learning paths and modules, and enjoy your learning journey. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to get to 50 plus subscribers by the end of this year, so hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.